What's up, YouTube? What's up, guys? So, today is going to be a lot more of a full video. I want to get into the topic of what this channel will probably be in the future, and how I'm going to go about posting here, and what will be in the videos and what won't be in the videos. I will be going over what genres I might do, but I'm probably going to be doing multiple. Now, you might be asking me, why am I starting on Roblox? Why do that if there's so many Roblox YouTubers out there right now, and half of them barely get off the ground? I'm only doing Roblox right now because it's mostly a game I do with my friends, and I can get a lot more content off of here. But it's kind of fun. I can do a lot more stupid stuff on here. By the way, how was your guys' day? I forgot to ask that. My apologies. My apologies. But yeah, we're back. We're back. Back on topic. Some of my videos for now will not have really that much editing. I will try to figure out how to cut out some of the times where I'm absolutely blank on speech and not talking to any of you. But I want to go for more, you know, chilling, you know what I'm saying? Like, just trying to get the gameplay out. That's mostly it, you know what I'm saying? None of that flashy stuff, no nothing. I just take the time here to chill out. Take your mind off of some flashy stuff. Just chill your room. Play in the background or whatever. But right now, I'm in dog watching. Specifically, the first game. And since we got 2 likes on the last video, which was the goal, we will be doing a full playthrough. Now, I've ran this game 1 time, maybe 2. I ran this game like once before the recording to try to get a hold down, and this game is really tough, man. So I'm gonna try to move around the pizzeria for a little bit while. And we'll see what goes on. So we have the whole layout of the pizzeria right now. Just have a whole layout of the pizzeria right now. Nothing too special. Right now what we want to do is get on first. Continue. These two guys. Chica's not a big problem. Your biggest problem in this game will be won't really be Foxy because he's aimlessly running around. It will be Freddy and Bonnie. I had to learn that the hard way because Bonnie is fast as hell. You don't want to mess with her, huh? Right now we don't have that much action. I don't have to leave the office yet because I don't have to deal with Freddy. But it's gonna get to a point where I have to deal with friends. Alright, wait, we haven't had to reset the power yet. Bro, what? Alright, bro. Alright, man. That took the soul out of me, bro. That took the soul out of me. So what I will be doing in these videos, though, is I will be cutting them down. So some of the parts you might be seeing aren't going to be some of the parts that were supposed to be here. But like I said, not that much editing, maybe no editing. I don't know. I can't make up my mind. I'm not that good with YouTube. Just starting out, man. Come on now. Adventure. Almost like you're trying to take some kids on an adventure into your shed, bro. Foxy the Tickler, bro. Jesus. Alright, bro. Oh yeah, y'all be making some noise, alright. Chica's big self be stomping down the hallway and shaking down the whole pizzeria. Make some noise. Let's stop. I'm not gonna start being a generic Five Nights at Freddy's YouTuber, but I think we all know what you need to stop doing right now. Put down the slices, bro. Let's sing. You look like you looking for some crack, bro. Shut the door! Shut the door! Shut the door! Bruh. Alright, man. I just won't insult them. I really won't. Bro, oh my god, that took the soul out of my body, bro. Why did the light come out like... Man! Bro, I need my light, but I can't. Alright, bro. Alright, bro. Alright, twin. Alright, twin. Bro. Bro, please. No, bro. I hear her footsteps. Go away, bro. You a menace. You big body. You're not even supposed to be able to run that fast. You are actually not supposed to be able to run that fast. That's insane. That's insane, bro. That's insane, bro. That's insane, bro. Take your inhaler, bro. You're breathing like you just got done running a 25-mile run, man. Open that door. What the fuck? Yeah, bro. Okay, I'm breaking character. Bro. You cannot hit me with this, bro. I don't want to play this game, bro. I gotta pee over there for him. Yeah, I knew it. Go away! So loud where her footsteps, bro. I can't tell when she's leaving. Chica. Bro, if that was... Let's go away. Please go away. I'm begging you right now. Oh my god. Bro, okay. I gotta get to that backstage area. Okay. Okay. Niggas, bro. Oh my god. Bro! Way too much with me. Lock in. Just lock in. Don't fold. Don't fold. Don't fold. Don't trip, don't fold. Don't trip, don't fold. Don't trip, don't fold. Don't trip, don't fold. Please let me leave. Please let me leave. Please let this be over. Begging you right now. Come on. Yes! Yes! Oh my god! Yes! Yes! Get out of here! I conquered that! Go run on the treadmill, bro! Go hit your games like me! Go hit like that! Out of here! Yes! Oh my god! Say yes! Yeah! Oh! Alright. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. I want you... I'll tell you what. Three likes, maybe even 2 on this video, and I'll do hard mode, because I heard they had a hard mode on this game. You already know. But that's the end of the video. Thanks for coming out. Hell yeah!